हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं क्लास 7 लेसन 1 कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज। एक बार इस लेसन को आप लोगों को मैं पढ़ा चुका हूँ, यानी कि इसमें कंप्यूटर की भाषाओं के बारे में बताया गया है, जिसकी कंप्यूटर्स में कौन कौन सी भाषाएं होती हैं, कौन कौन से क्या क्या उसमें सिस्टम होते हैं, इस लेसन में बताया गया है। मैं इसको दोबारा पढ़ा रहा हूँ, आप इसको फिर से ध्यान से देखिए, और अगर आपके पास बुक हो तो आप बुक खोल लीजिए। लिखा है लेसन 1 है कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेजेस। Languages are a means of communications. Normally people interact with each other through a language on the same pattern. Communication with computer is carried out through a language. This language is understood both by user and the mechanic. Just every language like English, Hindi has its grammatical rules. Every computer language is bound by rules known as syntax of that language. The user is bound by that syntax while communicating with the computer system. Computers languages are broadly classified as फर्स्ट जनरेशन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, जिसे हम 1GL भी बोल सकते हैं। लिखा है लो लेवल लैंग्वेज। द टर्म लो लेवल मीन्स ए क्लोजनेस टू द वे इन विच मैकेनिक अंडरस्टैंड दैट लो लेवल लैंग्वेजेस आर मैकेनिक लैंग्वेज. The first generation of computer languages consisted of machine language, which required the programmer to write all program instruction in the OS and first S binary code and the specific storage location for every instructions and item of data used. Programming in machine language was very slow and difficult in processing as computer hardware improved and processing speed and memory size increased. A programming language. Second generation language 2GL assembly language. Assembly language is the next level of programming language up from machine language and is considered a second generation language. Like machine language, assembly language is designed for a specific machine and specific microprocessor. It is the first step of improved programming structure. Assembly language programming is simpler and less time consuming than machine level programming. It is easier to locate and correct errors in assembly language than in machine language program. It is also machine dependent. Programmers must have knowledge of the machine on which the program will run. Third generation language 3GL high level language. You know that low level language requires extensive knowledges of the hardware since it is machine dependent. Third generation language specify instructions is as brief statements that are more like natural language like English, easy to understand statement to slow any problems than assembly language. All are less efficient in this is use computer resource than earlier language. They are easier to write and understand and have made it possible to create a software from business. Basic symbolic instructions. Basic and Pascal are used primarily in education to teach a programming. Basic symbolic instructions was developed in 1964 by John Keeman and Thomas Kurtz to teach students at Dartmouth College how to use a computer's basic. It is to use does few computer processing tasks well if thou does them all. Different version of basic exist. It was mainly used to microcomputers earlier days. Pascal language was named after Blaise Pascal, the 17th century mathematician and philosopher. Pascal was developed by the Swiss computer science professor Nicholas Wirth of Zurich in late 1916. Pascal is used primarily in computer science course to teach a sound programming practice. Fortran formula translation. Fortran was one of the most popular language among scientific community. It was developed in 1956 to provide an easy way of writing scientific and engineering applications. Fortran is especially useful in processing numeric data. Some business applications can be written in Fortran and contemporary version provide sophisticated structures for controlling program logic. C positive and C double positive is powerful and efficient language developed A.T. Bell's lab in early 1970. It combines machine portability with tight control and efficient use. It is computer resource and it can work on variety of different computers. It is used primarily by professional programmers to create a operating system and application software especially for PC. It never version of C and object oriented. It was all the capabilities of additional features. Fourth generation computer, 4GL. A fourth generation language is a grouping of programming language that attempt to get closer than 3GL to human language from the thinking and concept clearing design while reduce the overall time, effort and cost of software development. Fifth generation programming language. A fifth generation language is a grouping of programming languages built on the premise that problems can be solved and applications can be built to solve it by providing constraints to the program. Rather than specifying how to problem it was solved imperative programming. In essence, to programming language, it is used to denote the properties of logic of a solutions rather than how it is reached. Most concentrate based and logic programming languages are 5GL and pertains for the practice of some 4GL vendors to denote their products at 5GL when in essence the products are evolved and enhanced 4GL tools, computer and assembler. As you know that high level language is machine independent and assembly language taught it was machine dependent, yet mnemonics and that are being used to represent instructions are not directly understandably by machine. Hence, to make the machine understand that instructions provided by both the language compiler and assembler to require to convert these instructions into machine language. The software that reads a program written in high level language and translates it into equivalent program in machine language is called a compiler. The program written by the programmer in high level language is called a source program and the program generated by the compiler after translation is called an object program. The software that reads a program written in assembly language and translates it into the equivalent program in machine language is called a assembler. तो ये लेसन आपका समाप्त हुआ. आप इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा. इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू फॉल्स जितने भी क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं वीडियो के साथ ही आपको PDF के रूप में प्रोवाइड करा दिए जाएंगे. तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.